So I choose the multimodal text short story from Jollibee commercial titled Char. And some background of the story, it's all about love and sacrifices of grandmother for her grandson.
Oh, that's not the background. Okay, that's not the background anymore. You are telling already the message of the ad. If you say background, how are you going to say it's the background? Kasabi mo, it's the love and sacrifice. It's no longer the background. You are telling the message.
So, bali, sa story po, makikita natin doon kung kasi yung lola is nag-iipon po siya ng pera para maipagbili niya ng regalo sa kanyang apo.
Yun.
And for the consuming, I think this commercial video likely aims to inspire the audiences with a heartwarming story about the sacrifices and love of grandmother to her grandson. The genre of the video is advertisement and highlighted the voice of the boy who's telling or narrating the story about the love and sacrifices of his grandmother. And the text in the video are floating on and off the screen. And I noticed the clear and concise flow of the story. The voice of the boy who's narrating the story is well modulated and clear, and the facial expression of the character and sound effects are seen and heard. The format or the mode of the text will not be changed because it's aligned with the flow of the story and easy to read. I realized that the targeted audience of the commercial are those who value family, relationships, and heartwarming stories. And many audiences can relate after watching the commercial video because it shows the importance of family, love, and gratitude. The impact of word use in narrating the story could inspire others. I imagine that even though the duration of the commercial is short, the message of the story could inspire a lot of people, and I think they give all their efforts and best to create it. And for the producing, I imagine creating a short commercial that would also inspire my fellow student, where the flow of the story, the background music and dialogue, and even the facial expressions are included. And I can do this by choosing properly the theme of the story, the background music effects, the words, and the characters so that the audiences can enjoy it and can relate to the message of the story. I can impact my audiences by creating a commercial that would also inspire them, and a commercial with a good message, background music, and I feel proud of how well my work would inspire my audiences.